come meet you understand, it's still our front.
Guys, we're there with Father John I. Yeah man, a ball game specialist. So we'll try to start up the machine and off and that. Man, I want the right thing, man. One Father than I.
the color of the spray over there. That's super. What do you think I'm going to do?
Well, boy, wash it. You know, not even a bucket. We need to get our next bucket. There are 2 buckets to have, you know. Much vehicle I wash. Guys, just stay tuned with it. We wash first.
Where you beat first? The head has to beat first, you know? Which part you beat first? When I beat?
Beat the whole of my body.
No, I feel summer first. The happy. Which part?
Beat the whole of my body first.
No, bossy. No, bossy. You're wrong, bossy. They don't be good as bossy. They don't be good.
You don't beat the whole of your body.
After.
Guys, now listen to him, you know. You see him? He does full amount, okay? And just watch how I go. Boss, I love cane. Protect the truck them. Body or body, yeah? Body or body?
Which I market?
Yo, we are moving truck. Give me a key.
Yeah.
I knew what you have in a truck, man. No. Fat marshal?
No.
No use to that liquor truck here, no.
Don't go for the woods, you know, sir. Alright.
I don't really want to drive because the truck heavy. Guys, we are seeing at now. We are going to see if at. I bring up the wood.
But 1 insect, yeah.
1 insect, which part?
1 insect. See that?
Alright, we are going to see. And now we are going to prove it. We could prove it now. Because you see a hot. And a one drive and another tool. You must know. See? I come up. Body or bad? Body or bad? You're like, yo! What? What's it?
One insect, yeah.
It's a one insect. Alright, we are going to wash off this now. Say that. I'm going to see me. Wait him up, guys. Wait him up. Wait him up. Get up the market. Say that. Back in pass the test. Pass the test. Pass the test. Pass the test. Yeah. Get on the black one. Where's that going? Watch it, you know. Act like drops, you know. Act like a drops, you know. You know that? The boss say. The boss say, I can't wash car good, but I teach him so. Help me, I go help him. I go help him.
We'll show you what? Motor.
You can't fast. You're full of money.
We'll show you what? Motor.
Motor?
Yeah, motor. See you watch them?
We can't fast.
No. I'm going to meet you, it's still our front. Watch you now.
What's your name? Atwa?
Atu, let's say.
Oh, them say you know.
These are there.
That's like a drop, say here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Not really. But you know, water there, so it's like you're looking, I don't know. 2 minutes.
You hear that?
Well, you don't have enough for that, so.
Enough for one time.
You can't go live.
What is it one time? You have no power of one TikTok, you know? I look at TikTok video, you say, oh, what do you ask? Yes? No, we have no power of one TikTok. Now we did now. I don't play on that.
I don't even know what you have in our state. I don't know for like
you got power of it all. We don't
we have one answer. I know why I'm going to
yeah, you know. Pause there.
wash down so fast.
Yeah. Fast.
I'm going to start.
Wait up black car.
Yeah, man.
Let me go and bad up here. Same car. I watch the wheel out and something. You able to injure me this though? You able to injure me this?
No. around me. I wash off mine now.
What the hell?
Now go over my job and rate me. Clean. Clean. The only one dry off now. Watch it, hard that work. See tool over there, so we over one place. Yeah, man. Clear thing. Pass it. One car come off for the boat. Yeah, man. Outside, we wash up the asphalt. So there's a clean up there, clean up there. Janja. See boss, yeah? He said do an excellent job today.
Yeah,
me do a good job?
Maybe a little piece, a little piece.
Alright.
You know the hat, you know the hat. You know the hat, father.
He said man bring me to school.
Yeah.
He want to teach me how to wash the truck. So the next time, I want him to teach me how to wash the truck properly. Anyway,
Yes.
thanks for watching guys. And remember like, share and subscribe. See boss, in my car wash done
Yeah,
today.
man, big up, man.
Yeah man.